Hi, Luca here. Today I'd like to introduce the Hot Tub Foundation. I can't explain all the details of how we made it, but I hope it can serve as a DIY idea for you. Let's get started. My mom bought a hot tub that heats water with fire, which she had wanted for a long time.
What?
My dad panicked a little, but
Don't worry, here's the plan.
so my mom made a rough plan and then left everything to my dad and my uncle. Anyway, it's important to measure everything carefully, figure out how much material you'll need based on the plan, and decide what materials will fit into your budget. We decided to place the hot spa on the lawn, so we removed about 10 centimeters of soil from the area that will serve as a foundation. Use a rake to level the surface, then use a tamper to firmly compact the ground. Because our spa filled with water can weigh a lot, this step is important to keep the ground from getting uneven later. The goal is to compact the ground flat and level, so use a level to check often. Cover the dug area with a weed mat. We use 150 by 95 sleeper and fit it level into the dug ground. Spread crushed stone up to about halfway. We won't fill it all the way because later we will add concrete paving stones and decorative stone on top. Make sure to use crushed stone or crushed concrete. This is important to ensure that the stones lock together tightly and stabilize the ground. Smooth stones like pebble are not suitable. We recommend using Gap 20, which is what we also used. After spreading the gravel, use a tamper to compact it firmly. Then use a level to ensure it is evenly and properly leveled. The bottom area where the hot tub will sit should be as smooth as possible, so we will lay concrete pavers. It is best to use pavers that are at least 40 millimeters thick. Use a level and a rubber mallet to lay them evenly and make sure they are level. By pouring sand into small gaps between the concrete pavers, they will be firmly secured and won't move. Spread white pebbles up to the height of the wooden frame and concrete pavers. Once you put up a privacy fence around the area, all that's left is to place the hot tub. Pick up the hot tub from the warehouse and oh, it's satisfying.